Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add an expiration to a poll in WordPress. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and adjust your poll settings so your poll expires exactly when you want it to. It's a quick and easy process that helps keep your data fresh and your audience engagement timely. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click on the login button. This will take you straight to the sign-in page where you can access your site's dashboard and tools. When prompted, select Continue with Google. It's a convenient way to sign in if your WordPress is connected to your Google account. Choose the correct Google profile and allow the login process to complete. Once that's done, you'll have full access to your WordPress admin features. Now that you're signed in, focus on the left panel of your dashboard and locate the feedback section. Click on it. This area provides access to all interactive features related to user responses, including polls and surveys. Inside the feedback section, find and click on Crowd Signal. WordPress's built-in tool for creating and managing polls. Crowd Signal allows you to build, customize, and monitor polls directly from your dashboard without needing any extra plugins. Once you're in Crowd Signal, look toward the top right corner for your account drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select Settings from the list of options. This will open the page where you can fine-tune your poll preferences and overall account configuration. Scroll through the settings until you find the section labeled Block Expiration Limit. This is the feature that controls how long your poll will remain active before it automatically closes. Click to open the expiration options. Here, you can set a specific time frame. For example, 1 day, 1 week, or even a custom date and time that fits your campaign or event schedule. Be sure to select a time frame that makes sense for your goals. A shorter duration can create urgency and increase participation, while a longer period allows for more responses over time. Once you've decided, double-check your choice and click Save Changes. This step confirms your preferences and ensures your poll will expire exactly as planned. Your poll is now fully configured to close automatically when the selected time limit is reached. This keeps your results timely, prevents outdated participation, and helps you maintain accurate insights from your audience. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a poll expiration in WordPress. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment below sharing what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy polling.